To install your InstaShield, remove the plastic strip and you're ready to begin. First, fold each side 90 degrees along the scored lines. Second, fold the small tabs on each wing 90 degrees, facing up. Third, tuck the wings through the large slot. Notice the tabs keep the wings in place. Fourth, take any standard ball cap and push the brim of the hat through the slot, far enough so the wings do not hang off the brim. Now push or bend the shield to tension lock your shield in place. InstaShield should curve slightly once locked in place. Now your InstaShield is ready!